Um, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be, part 2 of, stories. So yeah, let's get into it. So, the first story is, the story of when I was, in, I think it was Portugal, I can't really remember, but there was this, so there was these two cats that would always come over to, for my dad and my family to come feed them. So, of course, we loved them, and they were so cute. They let us touch them and everything. And one was a kitten, and one was an adult, so we assumed that it was a mum and baby. But what we thought was very, very weird is that the mum and the kitten would always take like a massive mouthful and take it away and would come back for more. So we were like, oh my gosh, that's pretty weird. So we followed the cats one day. Well, I followed the cats one day actually. So, and then there was a full, I don't know what you call like a full group of cats, but there was like a lot of cats. And, so we were like, oh my gosh, and the cats were stray. So we were like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then we were like, so of course I tried to see if any of them were injured or anything from the past, like, I don't know how many days they were there, but they were there for quite a long time. So I was, I was making sure they were all okay. They were all okay, and there's, this one kitten who had this thing in its ear, and I didn't even know what it was. So I was like, oh, maybe I should check on it. So I picked it up, took it all the way over to the grass, which was like at the other side of my back garden. And the mother, of course, followed me. And I was like, so I checked what it was. I got it out of its ear, and I was like, wait, what even is this? It was a ginormous bee in its ear. So I was like, wait, what? So the bee was dead, but it had left many marks on the cat. And usually bees only sting once. So I was a bit confused, and I thought multiple bees had been, you know, on this kitten. So I was like, oh, poor kitten, maybe there's something, I didn't really know what I was doing. So, of course, I was like, oh, this kitten is so cute and everything. But, so I took all the, like, stings away, and the kitten was fine until the next day where they came back, and then I checked on that kitten again, but the kitten was gone. So I was like, oh my gosh, wait, where's that kitten? And it turns out the kitten was actually dead because of the many bee stings that was in its ear. So it was, deaf, and, I later found out that it was blind as well, but I didn't know how. So, I picked up the dead kitten. I found it like in the glass in the grass somewhere, and I put it, I can't remember where I put it, but I put it somewhere. So and then I did like a little grave for it. I did into my little bagan, and I put mud all over the cat and said, a beautiful kitten laying here. And then after that I felt really good at myself, and I felt really like, you know, I don't even know what I was feeling. But, and then I went over to the mom, and then apparently my dad went to go feed the other cats. And then the mother was there alone, because the kittens were just staying, you know, it was just staying in the corner. So I was like, okay, well, you know, so sometimes other kittens or cats don't want to come. And I was very, not confused, but like, I was like, oh, maybe they just don't want to come. So, you know, I was perfectly fine. I didn't really mind because, you know, I don't choose the kitten's life decisions. So, after that, so the cat, well, my dad was feeding the cat, and the cat was perfectly fine. The cat was just, you know, chilling around eating the food, but then when my dad came to get the bowl, so that he could, you know, wash the bowl and, you know, do everything else. So then after that, so my dad comes and gets the bowl, and then the cats scratched my dad so hard that he ran away with blood just dripping from his hand. So there was literally blood all over the floor, and so I was like, oh my gosh, why is the cat so aggressive? Like, has anything happened or something? So I was like, I went to go check on the kittens again, and the mother followed me, and there was like a beehive right next to where they laid, or like where they were, or like where they made their den or something. So I searched around the area, even though I didn't go near the beehive. So the beehive was kind of big. It was like medium, let's just say. So it was like the size of I don't really know, but it's like the size of like it's like the size of like a I don't really know, but it was kind of big, but not too big. So I didn't go near the beehive, but there's a little like I don't know what you call it. It's like a little hole with lots of kittens in it, and that's when I found out that that's where the mother actually stayed. All the kittens were just staying there because I think their mom was like teaching them on how to like. I know this sounds like not real, but trust me, it is. And I think the kittens were just there. You know, maybe the mother was like trying to like teach them on how to like, you know, hunt by their own, like on themselves. So that's why they were all there. So I was a bit confused because I looked there before I actually went by the beehive. So you know, and even though I said I didn't go near, I was like 2 meters away from the beehive. So then I went to go check on the kittens. All the kittens were fine, except I forgot that there was like one kitten missing because one kitten had died the day before. So I was like, oh yeah, I forgot that kitten died, and you know, so then after that I went back into the house and I did some research about like how cats become blind and deaf and how they die from that. So I don't exactly remember what it said, but it said something about like not being able to hear and see can sometimes affect them if it's both, because apparently if they're kittens they can fall and they might kill themselves, or they can be like, or like because maybe like wild animals while they were out, because like some days they would just be out on the streets. Maybe a wild animal had like given her or him bites or something. So that's, and it could affect him more. And that's why she died. Because there was a girl, I checked on all of them to see if they were girls or boys. And there was like, I think there was like 10 of them. Yeah, there was 10 of them. There was 2 boys and 8 girls. So I gave them all nicknames just in case, because I didn't want to actually name them and count them as my own cats. And so yeah, and I'm gonna be pausing it just for a minute. Okay, I'm back. I just have to go tell my dad that I'm recording. So yeah. So so obviously the cats, I kind of remember what the last thing was, like the last sentence. But the cats got very aggressive and they started to molest the kittens basically. And for a minute I was like, oh, okay, you know, they're just being aggressive, you know, they're only kittens, so can't blame them or anything. So then I was like, hold on, because there was a black cat outside of their den, and it turns out it was actually the dad of the kittens. So that's why they were all like stuff, you know. I don't even know why I did that, but they were very upset about something, like the cats. So I was like, oh, okay, you know, they're probably just upset, you know, nothing wrong with that. And so after that, I left them, and otherwise they probably would have come and attacked me. So after that, I went over to another place. Okay, wait, guys, I'm gonna. Whoa. So I'm gonna show you my racing outfit. I'm gonna show you my racing outfit just because I'm gonna go to the Figure Championship. Go away, fly. Just because I'm gonna do a championship now. Because these. So I use Ali for races, and I don't know where Ali is. Is Ali? Yeah, she's right there. So I'm gonna. Oh, what the heck? So I guess I'm gonna take out a horse that is level 1. So she's level 1, but I don't want to take her out. I'm gonna take out. No, I can't. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put a Ash, and then I'm gonna put an Ali. So Ali is actually level 15 now, and I'm super excited about that. So I'll unpause when I'm done with my outfit. Okay, so I actually missed the champ, but I'm gonna do like realistic roleplay names for my horses and all the racing names and their actual names. So first of all, let's start with these ones in the pasture, and there will be a part 2 of this. But first off, we have Amethyst Magic, aka Magic, or for her roleplay name, like her usual roleplay name, will be I don't know, hold on, I'm gonna think of a name. Okay, so since I don't know what I'm gonna name her, so for the roleplay name, because I know what hers are, so her racing name in the roleplays are, Princess Racing Girl, aka, so her roleplay name is gonna be Dixie, and her usual name is Diamond Princess, aka Missy. Then here we have Raina, and her name for realistic roleplay is Raina, and her racing name for realistic roleplay is Dusk Hunter, and her usual name is Dusk Hunter. So Rain is her roleplay and normal name, and her racing name is just, her Ocean Friend, and her real name is Ocean Friend. So Marble Dove, her racing name is gonna be Marble Girl, aka Marble. And then we have G. So his real name is gonna be. So he isn't racing; he's dressage. So I'm gonna be naming him Dressage King for his racing name, but his real name is G. Then here we have Prince. His racing name is Dark Crystal. And his roleplay name is gonna be Black Beauty. And Misty, aka, so her name is just gonna be Misty, and her racing name is gonna be Shadow Dust. So I'm gonna be showing you the, I'm gonna be doing something. So I'm gonna show you a glitch. So first of all, so grab any type of horse and put on any type of bridle. It doesn't matter what bridle you put on. I'm using this bridle. So when you stand this close, okay, wait, never mind. We're gonna have to go out the stable to do it. So yeah, let's go out the stable. So basically, if you're in a stable, go out the stable. Hold on, I'm gonna show you which place I'm gonna go. I'm now at the place, and I'm gonna be showing you what you do. So when you go to this side of the horse, and you want to go, so you go this close. Oh my gosh, wait, it actually works now. So you really want it, so you go really, really close to the horse. So then you go backwards. Okay, wait, I actually don't know what you do, but I'm gonna be taking some pictures. So here's a good picture. So go to trot, then click that. that's gonna be my outro. So bye.